Okay, so today I'm going to introduce a story called Two Heroes. Does everyone see the title? Can everyone point to the title for me in your small reader? Two Heroes. Good. Okay? You have the big book? That's good. Two Heroes is a fantasy story about a lion, fox, and bear who combine their strengths in order to help each other out of a jam. Okay, so what do we think? Yeah.
Where's the fox?
Oh, not here yet. We'll see. Okay. So can anyone tell me what a jam is? They're in a jam. So what does that mean? Do you think they're eating jam? No. What does a jam mean, Michaela?
They're stuck in something.
They have a what? A problem. Okay, so we're gonna figure out what their problem is and how they solve it. Okay, so everybody open up to the first page. Open up to the first page, please. Let's focus. Okay. All right, Michaela, start reading for me. First line.
Lion and bear
Heard.
a sound. Help! Someone yelled. Someone is inside the lion. Where are they? Asked bear.
Okay.
Bear. They look.
Focus and point to where we're reading.
Saw fox. He looked very sad.
Okay, Sarai, next page.
I beg your pardon. I am still stuck in this room. What is it? My feet are very short.
Sore.
So I sprang up very high, but I could not get out. Can you help me? Thank you.
So now that we've read the story, okay, we're gonna talk a little bit about the story before we start, okay? So the animals in Two Heroes talk and behave like humans. That makes this a fantasy, right? Because the animals are talking and they're doing real life things, but it's not real. Right, you're correct, it's not real. Okay, so today we're gonna use something that looks like this. Does anyone know what this is? What does this remind you of? Kyla, what is it called? A Venn diagram. And why do we use a Venn diagram? Not to separate things. Good, to compare and when something's different. Brandon? Lift your head up and say it because you're correct. Contrast. Good, very good. Okay, so we're going to use this today to compare and contrast some of the characters and the events in the story. Nope, just this one today. Okay. So on page 7, I want everyone to flip to page 7, please. Okay. On page 7, how can you figure out that the lion and bear are not sure how to save the fox? How do you know that they're not able to save the fox? Micaiah. Okay, good, because the hole is too deep, right? And they don't know what to do to get them out. Yes, Kyla. It is dark in the hole, you're right. What? Their faces? Well, maybe they looked confused in the picture. Do they look confused?
Yeah.
He does, right?
They look afraid.
He does. They look afraid. You're right. Okay, so on page 10, everyone flip to page 10. Okay, we're going to use the pictures and we're going to use the words here. Okay? How are bear and lion alike? What are they both? Michaela.
They are both strong and helpful to others.
Okay, and what is a word that they use? What are they? Hero. Good girl, heroes. Excellent job. That was a good answer, both of you. How are bear and lion different? They're not both strong and brave. One is strong and one is brave.
Lion is brave.
Good.
Bear is strong.
Good. You guys are doing excellent. Good. All right. So let's go to the last page, okay? And it shows here bear and lion, okay? And this is what we're going to do on our piece of